Oh, this tube light. Tell you, these lights are such a hassle. But not so much if they can be as portable as this. This is not just an ordinary tube light, this is a NANLITE. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Aries, and today I'm going to talk about these amazing tube lights, which are the NANLITE PavoTube 15c. And whoa, boy, these are one of a kind, as in the sleekness, the material that this is all made up of, and the things that this light can do. We are going to talk about all of that in this video. Okay, so first the size. Well, this is about 2 feet, 2.5 feet long, and these are very compact. These are like any other tube lights which you have in your homes and in your bathrooms or in your bedrooms. But now, with these portable, amazing lights, you can put them anywhere in any nook and corner of your house and make them glow and light and just light up any and everything. Because they are so portable, because they are rechargeable, because they have so many different modes, so many different colors. Yes, they are RGB lights, which means you can have any color in the world and you can tune in the saturation, the dimness, whatever you want. Let's switch this on. And there's this beautiful switch over here, which is covered in this little plastic kind of a material over here, so that even if it rains a little, this is kind of a little water resistant tube light. So you don't have to worry about them if you're in a slightly rainy environment, because this can take a little bit of a splash on them, and that's so convenient. Imagine you are outdoors somewhere and in a slightly rainy environment, but you want to get those lovely portraits or these lovely high fashion shots with these raindrops falling on your model. So all you can do is just hold it right there and just shoot away. I've just loved the whole feeling, the whole compactness of these lights. So I have 2 of them. One second. So yeah, I have 2 of these because this NANLITE PavoTube 15c comes in a pack of 2, like a kit of 2, and these 2 beautiful tube lights in a nice sleek case with all the small little accessories that are required to light them up, to mount them and stuff like that. Of course, you can also buy this kind of a entrapment which can hold 2 tubes together over here. So obviously the power will be doubled if both of them are mounted together side by side simultaneously. Also, one amazing thing is this. Now, as you can see over here, there are these 2 sockets, and these tube lights have these sockets. One is the in, one is the out. So you can put this lead that comes along in one of the tubes in the in socket and the other side in the out socket of the other. So one light becomes the master and the other one becomes the slave. That means whatever one light does, the other light will mimic when it's joined with this wire together. And that is such a great feature to have, because if you want double the power and you want the temperature, the intensity to be accurate in both the lights, so all you need to do is stack these lights together up in this stand over here and connect these 2 lights with this wire, and both will work simultaneously, doing the exact same thing and giving the exact same output and the color. That is just brilliant technology, and I love this feature in these lights. So here you see, now they're both connected together over here from the top, and when I change the color temperature, the color mode from one, both of them do the exact same thing. And this is really helpful when somebody wants to light up a certain room or such a certain situation. So whatever the master light does, the slave light does that too. I mean, that is such a helpful feature to have, especially when you want to stack them up together. But I'm saying that again because it is such a great and a feature that I've not seen in very many lights together. So yeah. There you go, I'm dimming the light and making it full bright in this red orange tone. Damn, it's too bright. It's too close to me. So anyways, now of course, apart from stacking them together and using these lights in a unit, separately, individually also, there are very many modes that these lights have, and they have made it so convenient that everything can be operated from here. These buttons over here that you see. So there are these various modes that this light has, and everything that you want to operate, you can operate from here, and these knobs that you can move to change the intensity or the mode. And well, you don't need a manual because everything that you need to know is written behind the tube over here. All the instructions, all the different modes, and it's very convenient. You just hold the light and just read what you want to do and whatever mode you want to get into, and you can just follow the instructions and operate this beautiful light. Now, apart from all these HSL mode, the color RGB modes, and the normal daylight balance or like the warmer tone mode, you can also have various different effects and different modes that you can use in different situations. For example, there is over here the cop car effect. Let's try the cop car effect. Now, this is the cop car effect. Quite realistic, isn't it? Now, if you just stand here and maybe you're observing, you're just a spectator of a murder and standing near these cop cars who are investigating this murder. Quite nice, even otherwise, just to put it up in your room and take some interesting videos or make some Instagram reels. These lights are fun. Then, of course, there is this storm effect. So there is storm and lightning happening. Nice. My God. Stormy weather over here. Then there is this candlelight effect. You can change the intensity and how fast or slowly it flickers. It's flickering slightly. I have to actually dial in and make the settings proper. Only then you can make out. Wait, let's switch on the main lights and see how it looks. Now, candlelight. A nice candlelight dinner. You can also use it as a bonfire, I feel. Yeah, like a nice bonfire. Sitting with friends, chilling, talking about how life was back in the COVID days, now that everything is fine. Hopefully soon. But yeah, see, beautiful. This nice warm glow, and you can also change the warmth or make it a little more cool and change the intensity at which it's flickering. So all those small little details are taken care of here. Now, apart from these various effects, there is also this little thing that comes with the light. This is like a very nice metallic little ring, like a bracelet, which you can tie on your lights over here. There are these holes, and each of these lights you can hang these little kind of bracelets, friendship bands, if you may please, and just hang them anywhere or just swing them around like a basket and just walk around like how people used to walk around with lanterns. But yeah, quite nice, quite convenient. You just hang it somewhere, or maybe just connect both these lights together with these metallic bands and hang them together one in front of the other, and you can light up a whole scenario, like make a big source of light. So which is also very convenient, very nice, very well thought of. These little things make a huge difference. But now you will ask, what if I don't want to buy this double stand and don't want to invest further in buying this dual stand for these two lights? What do you do? Well, don't worry, my friend. This two light kit comes with two of these. These are these beautiful small brackets, very nicely made and very snug. So you just clamp them around these lights and yeah, clip it and tighten it. And over here, you can put any light stand or any tripod that you have, and you can angle them in whichever direction you want to with the help of a clamp or whatever that is holding this piece of mount over here. Well, of course, now there are various ways in which you can use these lights. You can use them together like I showed you. You can use them separately, one in front, one at the back, like this. So very nice. So one front light, one back light, so that balances off, and you can change the colors. You can make one red, one blue, one green, one pink, whatever. So you can play around, you can experiment and create amazing high fashion kind of images. Now let me take you behind the scenes of a shoot I did with these NAND lights and the way I use them, and you'll get a little idea, a glimpse of how I use these lights and how convenient it was to light my model, my subject, my friend Shruti, who was shooting with me. So well, let's have a look at that. Hello, so I'm here shooting with my friend Shruti over here, and we've got these amazing lights from NANLITE, and these are the PavoTube 15c, and as you can see over here, I've mounted them on a bracket with when I can put two lights together. So isn't that amazing? It gets double the power, double the intensity, and also I have connected both these lights so that one works as a master and the other one works as a slave. And if I change the color of one, the color of the other changes. Damn, this is powerful. So watch as we shoot a music video, kind of a fashion film, and some pictures with these amazing lights. Keep watching. So in this look, I use both these NAND lights in this orangish kind of a feel, just like a topish light to give a very moody vibe, because Shruti over here was just sitting near this flower pot and lighting some essence. So it was just giving a nice little moody vibe to the whole video.
Then in this next part of the video, I wanted a softer light on Shruti's face, so I used this diffusion umbrella in front of both these lights, which very nicely fit, and it was covering these both tube lights together, and I was getting like a nice soft box kind of a feel on her face, which was really enhancing the whole look. And the next look over here, we decided to go a little high fashion. So Shruti was wearing this nice skirt and a top, and she was sitting in front of this plain wall, and I decided to light it up with these two lights, the NANLITE, one NANLITE for her hair and the background, which is a red color, and a green color temperature in front for her face and her body, and which looked quite like a full high fashion editorial kind of a feel to it. And you can see over here Shruti was posing away, and it was really fun to use these lights, and the results that it was giving me was fantastic.
So there you go, that was my shoot, and those were the results of the shoot that you saw, and I'm sure you were really impressed by what these lights could do. Now, of course, these are chargeable lights. Well, you can just put them on charge with the adapter that comes with them, and in a full charge, these last more than 2 hours. So 2 hours of continuous full intensity lights. What more do you need? You have all the flexibility, you have such great quality of color along with the various modes, along with the flexibility of mounting them differently, hanging them, doing whatnot. So all in all, I would like to say that this NANLITE PavoTube 15c is a great light. It is a very convenient little tube light which can be mounted anywhere you want, and it's very bright. I hope you enjoyed this video and this review. If you did, then you know what to do. Are you new to YouTube? You're not, right? So you know what to do. I won't tell you this time. Until next time, stay safe and keep shooting. Wait, let's do this.